Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today I would like to share a recipe with you that my brother and I developed as children. This is a very funny story, so let me tell you really quickly what happened. He and I decided that we wanted to make cookies. I was probably 14 and he was around 11. This is my brother Gregory, and what happened was we had a recipe card that was double-sided. And we started out wanting to make chocolate chip cookies. About halfway through the recipe, we realized we didn't have any chocolate chips, which kind of negates the point of making chocolate chip cookies. So we didn't quite know what to do, but when we flipped over the recipe card, on the other side was a recipe for snickerdoodles. And we thought to ourselves, can we make chocolate chip cookie dough that's about half finished into snickerdoodles? So we basically put everything together, so it's a little bit of a mix mash of different recipes, but it worked and it turned out really, really good. These are a little bit sweet, so be aware of that. If you don't like sweet cookies, then maybe you should take out some of the sugar. But it turned out as kind of like a slightly caramelized version of snickerdoodles, and because it was a mixture between snickerdoodles and chocolate chip cookies, we called them Snicker Chips originally, but I'm going to give them a name that's a little bit more clear what we're talking about. So these are like caramelized snickerdoodles. They're really delicious, and if you give them a try, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them, because this is kind of a memorial recipe for me. My younger brother was kind of a foodie and developed some of his own recipes, but he passed away Christmas of 2015. And there are some days where I really miss him a lot, and I thought to myself, he would have loved to have collaborated with me. And so this is my collaboration with my little brother. So thank you, Gregory, for helping me develop this recipe as children. And I may occasionally throw in some recipes that my brother developed, because he was pretty good in the kitchen. So this is for you, Greg. Mwah! Let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 1/3 cup or 330 grams of butter, 1 1/2 cups or 300 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 200 grams of soft brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 5 cups or 625 grams of flour, around 3/4 of a cup or 150 grams of cinnamon and sugar to roll the dough in. First, cream the butter. Next, add the sugars and cream until combined. Add the eggs one at a time. Add the vanilla, add cream of tartar. If you can't find cream of tartar, see the card for substitutions. Next, add the flour, baking soda, and salt. It seems like a lot of flour, but this dough is rather dry, so don't freak out. It ends up looking like this. It's helpful to knead the dough just a bit to get it to stick together. Now it looks like this. To bake the cookies, line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Use a teaspoon to get a heaping teaspoon of dough and roll it into a ball between your palms. Then roll it in cinnamon and sugar and place it on the tray. Once your tray is full, bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. They will be fairly light colored. They get hard if you bake them too long. If they're exactly right, they look like this. Soft and chewy and absolutely delicious. The brown sugar makes the dough soft and taste vaguely of caramel. I love these so much. This recipe makes about 5 dozen cookies. They're best if fresh, but will keep up to a week. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's a family favorite. For more recipes and tutorials, as well as a full cake gallery, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.